How to add passkeys on Binance app. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add passkeys on the Binance app to enhance your account security. Passkeys provide a more secure and convenient way to log in without relying on traditional passwords. They help protect your account from phishing attacks and unauthorized access. So, if you want to keep your Binance account safe and secure, make sure to follow this step-by-step guide till the end. Let's get started. Begin by finding the Binance app on your mobile device and tapping on it to open. Before moving forward, ensure that you are logged into your account to access all the necessary settings. If you're not already signed in, enter your credentials and complete any verification steps required. Once you're inside the Binance app, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll notice a small profile icon. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open up a menu with various options related to your account settings and features. Within this menu, locate your nickname or profile name, which is displayed at the very top. Tap on it to proceed to your account details section. From here, scroll through the available options until you find Security, which contains different tools to enhance your account's protection. Once you spot it, tap on Security to access the settings. Inside the security settings, you will find multiple options related to two-factor authentication, which are designed to add an extra layer of protection to your Binance account. Tap on Passkeys to proceed with setting up this feature. Now that you are in the Passkey settings section, look for the button that says Add Passkey. Tapping on this button will initiate the process of enabling passkeys for your account, allowing for a more secure and convenient login experience. At this stage, Binance will send you a 6-digit verification code to confirm your identity before proceeding. The method of receiving this code depends on your account settings. It may be delivered to your registered email address or sent as an SMS to your linked phone number. Once the verification code is sent, check your inbox or messages carefully and retrieve the 6-digit code. After locating it, return to the Binance app and enter the code into the designated input field. Double-check that you've entered the code correctly to avoid any errors. After successfully entering the code, a prompt will appear on your screen, providing additional details about setting up passkeys. At this point, you are just a few steps away from securing your account with this advanced authentication method. Go ahead and tap on the Continue button to move forward with the final step of setting up your passkey. This action will confirm your selection and officially enable the Passkey authentication method on your Binance account. Once the setup process is complete, congratulations! You have now successfully added a passkey to your Binance app. From now on, you no longer need to enter a traditional password every time you log in. Instead, you can simply use your biometric authentication, such as facial recognition or fingerprint scanning, making the login process both faster and more secure. With passkeys enabled, you can now log into your Binance account effortlessly from any synced device without needing to remember or enter a password. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial. If you have any questions or concerns about any step in this process, feel free to drop a comment below. I'll be happy to help. Your support helps me continue bringing you helpful guides on tech, security, and finance-related topics. Thanks so much for watching. I truly appreciate your time, and I hope you have an amazing day. See you in the next video.